everybody, and welcome back to iMac. In this episode, I'll be taking apart this Skewb and seeing what exactly the mechanism looks like. So let's go take a look. So let's start taking it apart. I'm going to move it like this and just squeeze open. Move a little bit more. Oh, looks like I just lost a piece, but there we go. First piece is out. Okay, I've got this piece, so now let's take out these corner pieces, or what look to be corner pieces. This piece. Alrighty, and there we go. This has 4 edge pieces, or no, 6 edge pieces. That's normal. No, it isn't actually. And 4 corner pieces. And then 4 centers. So I'm going to assume that these are the edge pieces, that these are the corner pieces, and that this is like the core, which is like the centers and stuff. But the interesting thing is that the core has 4 instead of 6. There's only 4 corners when there's supposed to be 8 in a normal Rubik's Cube. And then edge piece-wise, there's normally 12, and there's only 6. So this is basically half of everything that it's supposed to have. So now let's try and put it back together, I guess. So now it's time to put in the last piece. Okay, so now it's put all back together, and I believe that this is some sort of PYRAMOD mod, because it resembles it a little bit. But it still fully works. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed seeing the inside of a very popular Rubik's Cube. Make sure to smash the like button and definitely subscribe.